In order to set up GOb2b as an extension on your BC365, search for Extension Management. Then search for GOb2b. Select Get It Now. Then choose which environment you'd like to access, and select Install. The setup page should open like so. While you are waiting for this to load, please watch the GOb2b setup video on our website, which you can access here. If this setup dialog does not appear and you are viewing the reduced version, close the window, click on the extension itself, and then click on Setup again. Then proceed with the setup. Here you need to provision the integration. The first thing we need to do is to create an Entra Enterprise application. Log into your portal at Azure, portal.azure.com. Search for Enterprise Applications. We require application registration, so click on Application Registrations. You will find any previous applications on this page. Start a new application. Click New Registration, and create a name. Look for Single Tenant Application, and then select Register. This will generate an application client ID. Please save this information so you can refer to it in future. We use OAuth2, which will require some credentials. You will need to add a secret. Select New Client Secret. In the description field, add GOb2b OAuth and then the date. We recommend you use the maximum period allowed for the expiry. At GOb2b, we keep a diary of these, and will remind you well before your secret expires so that you can renew it. Add the secret. Copy the value, not the secret ID. And again, save it somewhere for future reference. Finally, we require the permissions. Navigate to All Permissions. Microsoft have already added Microsoft Graph. You will need to add Dynamics 365 Business Central. Then select Application Permissions. Select the box for API Read, Write All. Save those permissions. Once you have saved these permissions, please navigate to Grant Consent and select Yes. The registration is now complete. Return to Business Central and navigate to the GOb2b Setup dialog. Find your saved client ID and paste that into the dialog. Then repeat with the client secret. The client ID is what we need to set up the integration. We will also need to provision a GOb2b website for you. The secret will be sent securely via this dialog. Please provide your company name and contact information. Please ensure all fields are filled out and that any further information required is added to the notes field. Once this has been filled out, please select Send Website Setup Request. This will create a user in Business Central to match the Azure registration. Once this has been completed, an email will be sent to GOb2b with the details you've provided and other details we received directly from Business Central. If you are using Cronus, you can add extra demo data, which will improve the quality of your trial. We will then proceed to set up your website, for a demonstration or website if you are a customer with our service. This dialog remains for us to carry out certain operations or for you to uninstall it at a later date.